Well, we have our Elise Jones in Del City right now, where she's also been looking for damage after those strong winds and even that tornado warning moved through the area. Elise joining us right now, obviously. I see law enforcement behind you, Elise. What's going on there?
Yeah, Evan, we're on Southeast 15th right now, just east of Sunny Lane Road near I-40, and they've blocked the road off here. This is a road rescue team. They've it blocked off because there's some down power lines, so you can see they're diverting traffic from the east side. They're able to come in, but then they're moving all of these cars trying to come through, making sure that nobody is driving. So they have the road blocked here. I don't know if you can see the power line. We just talked with this road rescue team, and they told us they're not sure how far down the road that line has fallen, so they've just blocked it off for now until they're able to get crews out here to clean it up. Now we haven't really been out throughout Del City yet. This is right near Patriot Park, by the way, if anybody is driving in this area. Or even in the morning, if they drive in this area, they're not sure how long it'll take to pick this up, to clean this up, or just kind of what this will look like. So we're going to go throughout Del City and see what all we can find. But this is, the first thing that we came across here. Back to you.